order has been complied. And for Albert, you need to copy of the
33
it-
complied.
yes, Lordship, इसमें हमने amount release कर दिया है और बाकी जो ये इसमें पूरा amount है.
Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 3 and 4. There is very serious complication on this case that I wish to cut. Lordship, may kindly see this sanction letter that is being issued.
9725.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship, they quoted two specific letters. संस्था के उप स्वीकृत विभागीय आदेश TSC दिनांक 19/5/2025 एवं कार्यालय आयुक्त तकनीकी शिक्षा आदेश क्रमांक 30/5/2025 के अधीन सशर्त जारी की जा रहा है. Lordship, in that specific orders, they specifically mentioned that the payment should be made under 6 pay condition. First thing.
Yes.
Now, Your Lordship, coming to this specific condition that has been imposed in this specific sanction letter also, Your Lordship. कलेक्टर जिला इंदौर की ओर से इस निवेदन के साथ ही कृपया स्वीकृत राशि अनुसार न्यायालयीन प्रकरणों में प्राथमिकता दी जाए तथा आपके द्वारा प्रत्येक प्रकरण का स्थानीय निधि संरक्षण सत्यापन उपरांत की भुगतान किए जाने हेतु निर्देशित करने का कष्ट करें. एंड योर लॉर्डशिप 6 प्राचार्य श्री वैष्णव पॉलिटेक्निक महाविद्यालय को इस निर्देश के साथ ही माननीय उच्च न्यायालय द्वारा जारी निर्देशों का परिपालन दिनांक 1/4/2000 के पूर्व से कार्यरत सेवानिवृत्त अमले के लंबित दायित्वों के भुगतान के संबंध में तकनीकी शिक्षा विभाग एवं संचालनालय द्वारा समय समय पर जारी निर्देशों के अंतर्गत प्रत्येक प्रकरण का सत्यापन स्थानीय निधि संपरीक्षा से कराया जाए. देय राशि के संबंध में कलेक्टर जिला इंदौर से स्वीकृति प्राप्त कर ही भुगतान किया जाए. Your Lordship, after that, Your Lordship may kindly come to 30/5/2025. 30th of May 2025. So the point number 2. Point number 35/2025. It's relying on the reply of the complaints report. The complaints report.
What is the document number?
Lordship, please.
939.
This is submitted on 17th of July 25. They submitted a specific reply, Your Lordship, at the end. Affidavit. After the last date of the hearing, sir.
When you did something well?
Last date of hearing, 16th. The document number is 1645.
Four six four five.
Yes, sir. Of 24. I'm talking about Lordship, item number 974.
Yes, 970.
Yes, sir. Still 4645 of 25.
so
Stock ID 5717.
5717 is document है.
4645.
46.
Yes, 17th of June.
Yes.
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 Lordship, in that specific reply, they mentioned a specific letter dated 30/5/2025 on page number. And it's R2, page number 10.
Yes.
They are quoting वित्तीय वर्ष 2025-26 में अनुदान प्राप्त करने हेतु संस्थाएं स्पष्ट प्रस्ताव उपलब्ध करावें, जिसमें उच्च शिक्षा विभाग के आदेश दिनांक 19/3/2015 एवं स्कूल शिक्षा विभाग द्वारा जारी आदेश दिनांक 28/2/2015 एवं दिनांक 8/5/2015 के अनुसार दिनांक 1/4/2000 के पूर्व नियुक्त एवं वर्तमान में कार्यरत शैक्षणिक गैर शैक्षणिक अमले को 6वें वेतनमान का लाभ दिया जाकर वेतन भत्तों हेतु देय वेतन का पृथक कर्मचारी तैयार किए जाए. Your Lordship, since 2020, the 7th Pay Commission has been since 2022, Your Lordship, 7th Pay Commission has been implemented. Your They are stating that the 6th Pay Commission would be implemented. So from 2020 to 2025, all the payments are being made under 7th Pay Commission. As per their own consent, when they clearly said, Your Lordship, there is a specific letter from them itself.
Is it part of the report?
Yeah, you'll also we just used to pilot. But this is very important. On 17/4/2018, the report clearly mentioned your lordship. स्वशासी चिकित्सा महाविद्यालय और राज्य सरकार उसे 100% संस्थापन पोषण अनुदान प्राप्त करने वाले अन्य संस्थानों को गैर शिक्षक सेवायुक्त के वेतनमान का पुनरीक्षण करवा सकते। After that, your lordship, we specifically gave them a letter to technical department on dated 13/11/2018. That is on page number.
So what are you implying?
Well, that's what I am implying. Reverting back to sixth pay commission eventually caused three repercussions, your lordship. The first is, your lordship, there are 45 employees that have been retired from that institution. So for the same, we need to recover as per the sixth pay commission because the payment is being deduced as per seventh pay commission income. And this specific objection is not raised in the writ petition at the time of that. They were completely silent over there, your lordship, and now they are imposing that we seek to pay under sixth pay commission. The first repercussion is this, your lordship. Second repercussion, all the salary that is being released to 39 employees, your lordship, that also needs to be recovered. And the third repercussion, your lordship, Article 40. As per Uच्च शिक्षा विभाग and as per the letter of the Vitti Vibhag itself, it's been paid under seventh pay commission.
14 proceedings are not there in.
Yes, your lordship, I'm just quoting it, your lordship. It will eventually take time to release the payment as per sixth pay commission.
Correction by the court.
Your lordship, as per the sixth pay, if the payment to be released in the sixth pay commission, it will seek a lot of time, your lordship. So what we are relying basically because it will take around 3 to 4 months to release the payment as per sixth pay commission because the recovery should be made and everything should be done under compliance of that. So that's the whole case. And as per that letter of the Vitti Vibhag, the seventh pay commission is being completed. Your lordship, we specifically send them a letter, and they clearly
Understood, no problem.
yes.
Suppose the order itself says that you have to make the payments as per the sixth pay commission. According to that, the government has taken the approval from the cabinet for the sixth pay commission. We are continuously telling them to get the account and the dues verified by the local audit fund, but they are so adamant that they are not doing it. Since 2010, they have not even organized the cash committee so that they can get their dues, the petitioners itself. So the institution also should be taken to task because they are not providing us the exact details that we need. They are not getting the dues cleared or verified by the local audit committee. In spite of the government telling them, we have sent them 2 letters, sir, but they are still not compliant. And in view of all, immediately sanctioned them 19 crore 11 lakhs, sir, despite all these discrepancies. And they are just telling them that you get your funds audited by the local audit fund and we will release the remaining amount. They are already paying their class 3 staff the seventh pay commission, for which they have not received any approval from the collector or even from the government. So we are ready to pay them all the amounts, but they should all be at par with the government's instructions. That's all we expect from them.
Your lordship, I just submitted the document over there on. There is a letter dated 13/12/2018, your lordship, that I submitted right now.
In fact, there is no consideration of it for sale.
Since 2023, we are asking them to give us the exact amount, but every time whatever the documents you are submitting, they are all completely.
Lordship, the collector's audit report is there, in which total 6 people from the collector team has totally audited the amount and said.
And in the last time, the collector, the treasury officer itself says that before making the payments, you get the dues audited by the local.
We are ready to audit.
3 to 4 months are not putting up the.
It is not an issue and this shall be objected against. You can.
We are saying that we have already paid them. We have given them one installment.
Very big decision regarding 6 to 7.
So that's submitted regarding that point. And for the petitioner lordship, identical petition was submitted before the Jabalpur itself also. In this matter, the Red Court was relied on the judgment of this 7140 23, in which the court has held that the payment should be made on the basis of the 7th pay itself. And that order was affirmed by the division bench of Jabalpur itself also. Taking Lordship Skinner, WP number 24396 of 2019, in which the court has held that next page for Lordship Reliance is.
This says
Yes,
that 7th has been granted by this order.
yes, Lordship.
And there is no order like this.
Absolutely, no. To respect that Lordship. But the division bench has also affirmed that.
This is statement by the council.
No, Lordship. I will read it, Lordship. But the Lordship Reliance is placed in the judgment of the coordinate judge in Arun Nagrani and others versus state of MP. Lordship, this. I'm taking out the division bench for judgment. You see, the state has challenged before the division bench.
You just show me from your order.
Madam,
Then incorrect reliance.
Madam,
Yes.
if may request Lordship 6 of 24 minutes and only for the paging purposes.
Yes.
But the order passed by the Honorable Single Judge was clear and categorical and does not admit of any ambiguity or open to any interpretation.
Yes.
Paragraph 11, Malak. The respondents are directed to clear the dues of the petitioners. Dues of the petitioner within a period of 3 months with interest of the applicable bank rates from the date of receipt of certified copy of this order up to 3 months once. My lordship, this relief which has been given, my lord, has to be read in the context of the judgment in its entirety, my lord. And if I may take your lordship to the relief which have been sought in the writ petition, my lord, paragraph 2.
That I have seen. 7th is there. That I have seen. But where is the decision?
But the dues are to be
He said that they are releasing in 6th. She says that they are not complying for process to.
This is their internal, this is their internal problem amongst the respondents.
It is not the subject matter of the content.
So far as the dues are concerned, madam, the dues are to be ascertained in accordance with law. This is our submission.
So this is not before me. This is not before me.
And otherwise also, my lord, if we go by even by the 6th pay, my lord, the direction has not been complied.
Compliant to those properly, sir. These documents.
You also seek to file an
I
affidavit.
will decide this.
Yes, we'll not, we'll file an object. And paragraph 11's compliance is still to be reported before a lordship.
Correct. But it has, you report this? Yes. Paragraph 11 compliance, I am concerned with that. Yes, sir. You file your complaint that you have done your bit. And you have. I will not be able to discuss it.
Whatever will be the dues, my lord, as per them only, as per paragraph 11, at least they should be given to us, my lord.
That is correct.
They are stretching it too far. I understand, my lord, it would be beyond the scope of contempt jurisdiction, of course.
Beyond contempt jurisdiction to decide this issue within not at all there.
Yes. Since it's an arguable issue, it could be raised at any point of time. Anyway, my submission is that, my lord, that the salaries which were to be paid, it has not been paid even till date, my lord. And 18 months is a long time.
We have already given 19 crore and it has come in.
Whatever, 7th, whatever, you ensure payment of salary. I am not saying 7th or 6th, but salary you have to pay.
Okay.
Whatever we were getting, as per them only, at least they should release that much of amount.
One because that the institute should give us a clear that
Yes, will provide.
I am giving all audience on this issue, but in fact I could not. It was not there. This is not the dispute. Formality is completed by one party, not completed by other party. This was not the
This is
issue.
not enough.
It is not the subject matter of the content.
the government has
You will
sanctioned.
do it between yourselves.
Yes, sir. We have sanctioned them now, it is their duty to put up the bills, get them verified, sir. That's all.
But the mighty state has all the control and power to ensure compliance for as far as a government aided institution is concerned. Well, we are not here to advise them.
But they are all ultimately the collector is the chairman, the principal is again appointed by the state. So the state has all the authorities and the control and supervision as far as the institution is concerned.
Because these proceedings, it should extend seventh also. Beyond these proceedings, I'm not passing any.
Governing body processor.
Yes. governing body. I have seen many governing bodies.
He specifically held objection what they are specifically stating on the same. Because the issue over here is, they specifically stated as to have the same in the
You are appealing for institutions.
institution as well as.
I have seen many institutions and how to treat their employees.
Your
I
lordship,
understand this.
your lordship, you may
You
understand.
complete your
Yes, your lordship.
submit and then come to the court.
Submit and your lordship will also file a specific objection.
Late in the next week, late in the next week, I prayed with the council for respondent. To file your complaints, at least pay 6th,
We are not insisting upon anything. It is something should be paid.
or you file today itself, I'll dispose it off.
Yes, sir.
If you will be able to demonstrate that you are
We
paying.
have respondent to it, I can
On serve the purpose because of the fact that the calculation needs to be done by them. And interest is also there, 9% interest.
You stay in the first week. You do everything and come with a case that you have financial pain. First week or so.
Are you right?